Hello everyone, in front of you is the white and green table runner I made before. If you are interested to watch the DIY tutorial about how to make it, you can check my old tutorial below this video. But today I want to make a little change. Just change the white flower to a more color of flower so that we can check a different effect. Okay, now let's go. Okay, then let's use different color of the flower to replace the white. Okay, completed. Now let's set up the table. Okay, also use different size of the candle holder. Also put on our tableware. Okay, completed. I used a lot of color to instead of the white flower. Now let's check the effect. Let's check it as we sitting in front of the table. Look, check from this side. Okay, let's check it as we are standing in front of the table. And let's check it from this side. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.